Good day everyone, my name is Leia Pisapogueda. So for today's video, we will report about the general principles and ethics for effective communication. So when we communicate, it's not just about sending words, it's about connecting to our responsibility. So nga nung manahimo to responsibility atong mga words, it because kung unsay may istorya nato is dili na nato siya mabalik. So maybe atong istorya is nakasakit taglaing people or i-judge ta kay na misunderstood. So dapat kung unsay pagawa sa itong baba, dapat klaro ug sakto. So effective communication is guided by two, the principles and ethics, to ensure clarity, respect, and understanding. So principles for effective communication is a principle, is a fundamental guideline or a rule that directs how communication should be done. So, ang principles of communication is makatabang sa tuwa kung usaon to pag-istorya o klaro nga dili ta ma-misunderstood sa uban. So, the first principles of effective communication is clarity. So sa clarity is we need to be clear with our message and do not use mga various or mga misleading words. So for example, instead of saying meet me later, make it more detailed and klaro para isa ra siya ka istorya. So, di ba, meet me later, himanto siya, meet me at 3 p.m. in the library. O di ba sakto og talo isa ra siya ka istoryahan, then dili pa jud ka ma-misunderstood sa uban. That's all.
Another principle of effective communication is conciseness. It is about being brief but meaningful. It is when you say less to avoid unnecessary words that may cause distraction to your audience and may lead to misunderstanding. So, conciseness is kana mag-istorya ka nga direct to the point. Like, dili na ka magpaligoy-ligoy pa para istorya ang imong idea and sa imong pag-istorya, maglikay ka sa mga unnecessary words. So, conciseness, bisan og direct to the point ka, dapat understandable or meaningful gihapon siya. Meaning, dapat tanan nimong information sa imong pag-istorya, dapat na dito tanan para dili ma-misunderstood sa imong audience. Example is when you say nga, I'm sorry to inform you, but I may not be able to attend the meeting tomorrow. So, taas kaayo siya. Ang imong point ra dito, isa ra, which is mo ang dili ka maka-attend sa meeting tomorrow, wherein, in concise way, pwede ra kayo nimo istorya siya nga, I can't attend the meeting tomorrow. So, ang conciseness, makahelp siya para nga madali or mas effective ang inyong communication kay mas masabtan man nimo kay direct to the point man ang pagka-istorya. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I am Chair Gibbs A. Rehantia and today I will discuss courtesy, one of the principles of effective communication. Courtesy means always show respect, politeness, and kindness when communicating with others. It helps communication become more positive and respectful. For example, instead of saying, give me that paper, it is better to say, please pass me the paper. Using words like please, thank you, excuse me, sir, mom, and sorry are the simple ways to show courtesy and everyday communication. Because courtesy is important in communication, it helps avoid misunderstanding and helps build good relationships with others.
Good day, ladies, gentlemen, and members of the LGBTQIA++ community. I am Charles Matthew Viragusta, and today I am going to discuss my part in our lesson on the general principles and ethics of effective communication. So basically, a principle is just a rule we follow to make sure our message is clear. Correctness is one of the most important rules. It means three things: using true facts, using the right grammar, and making sure your information is reliable. Now, let's look at the two quick examples of why this matters. First example is if I tell you that the capital of Japan is Kyoto. So I have failed the rule of correctness. Even though I spoke clearly, the fact was wrong. The real capital is Tokyo. And another example. Second, think about of giving someone directions. For instance, if I tell a friend to turn left at a stop sign, but the correct way is actually right, my friend is going to get lost because I wasn't correct and my communication didn't work. So overall, the impact of being correct, makahelp na siya sa ato ang build a relationship within our society, like our people, rather. So, kung ganahan ta magkuhan, maging reliable, need nato i-fact check. Dapat na yung mga sources na ito nga, like, nakay proof. So, like, search. Like, kung i-search, sa pagigid mo. Like, napag kay, like, mag-show kag statistics, charts, or unsa pa, like, para ma-proof yung, like, ma-support po di mo, yung giingan. Okay, marata. Good.
Good day, Ma'am Delani. I am BBI Mediagoy. Our group is tasked to report about the general principles and ethics of effective communication. And my topic is about consideration under the principles of effective communication. So, what is consideration? Consideration is an act of thinking about your audience's background, feelings, and level of understanding. One example of consideration is using simpler words when talking to younger students instead of using technical terms. Consideration, it is when you adjust yourself to whom you're talking to your surroundings or environment.
I'd never expect that kind of exchanging of thoughts would lead us to Cold War, which lasted for almost a month because there we were rebatting, and she was that one of those close-minded people. So that time, I was able to sense the immaturity that she had. Release the hinanaing I had. I have shared the experience to my closest friend, which is her closest friend to one of her closest friends. I was just lucky that time because I knew that my friend would go to my side and not defend the other one. Because the main problem was her and not me. If it happens nga, the one you have shared the same experience, like if ever you're going to encounter the same experience I have, if it happens nga plastic to imong friend gagi-sharean, then that person will going to tell your opponent the one you're making an argument to, it can cause conflict and another problem to solve. So if it happens that you are going to encounter such people like this, close-minded, then don't try to negate or prove that you are more correct, because it's not a debate. Because by that time, the true essence of communication slowly fades.
Responsibility. So, responsibility is think before you speak on your own words. So, for example, kanang na kay kaaway nga friends nimo or ka close friends nimo nga naglibakan imong duha, dayon naa kay isa nga words nga naingon sa iya nga wala ka kabalo, nga nakapasakit sa iya ang feelings, dayon nahilom siya, dayon dito na ka na guilty, dito na ka nakabalo nga sakit dito yung giingon. So dapat think before you speak. Kay pares karon ang mga tao karon kay naman yung mga uban nga dili na sila magpaki sa ubang tao ana. So dapat think before you speak. Own your words.
Good morning, Ma'am Delany. My name is JNP Magsanay. My topic is all about fairness. Fairness is treating everyone like equal or justly, not bias or favoritism. Like for example, kana bitong nihatag ka og chance nga maka-answer imong estudyante, dili lang kay isa imong tawgon sa imong mga estudyante, dapat mutawag ka og tagduha ba, tagtulo, or mahimo tanan imong tawgon para fair gyud nga maka-answer sila or matigaan nimo og points para sa ilang oral recitation. Like inana bitaw siya, dili bitaw siya kanang dapat isa ra akong tawgon kay dapat isa imong tawgon kay kato imong tawgon imong favorite, dili siya inana, dapat fair gyud siya, dapat og mahimo kano nimo tawgon nimo tanan, or dapat tawag ka og duha ba ka ha, tulo or upat, para dili ra po makaingon ang mga estudyante nga hala bias man na si ma'am kay isa ra yang gitawag, isa ra jay makadawat ani og points. Dili dapat inana, dapat tawgon nimo sila tanan or manawag ka og daghan, inana siya mo na siya fairness, dapat fair gyud siya.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Federico Dongan Disica. Last one is about confidentiality. Confidentiality means keeping private information secret and not sharing with others without permission. It is about protecting someone's personal, sensitive, or important information. Example, confidentiality, ma'am. If imong friend nag-share og personal problem ni mo, then ingon siya na dili isaba sa lain. And you respect the request and keep it private.